it's Antonisha, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the description, today I'll be doing a eyelash tutorial, just showing you how to get salon style eyelashes from the Dollar Tree. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and grab whatever glue you use. This is what works for me. And then you're going to grab some scissors, and then also you're going to want to get some tweezers as well. Alrighty, so like I said, the style that I use is from LA Colors, and I get these from the Dollar Tree. So what you're going to want to do is cut the eyelashes in 4 sections. Here I'm just showing you how I section off the eyelashes here to get 4 pieces to add to your natural lash line. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just use the box that the lashes came in. I'm going to add a little glue, well, a lot of glue to that so I can have somewhere to dip my lashes. So what I like to do is start at the end of my lashes here, and I like to put them under the lash line. I know most people like to put them above, but it gives a more natural look once you put it under the lash line. And if you see me looking off camera, I have a little mirror there so I can see exactly what I'm doing. So here I am just going to repeat that process here. I'm going to add the second lash to the lash line right next to it. And if you see me looking away or rolling my eyes to the back, that's because my eyes do water a lot. So I have to do that to stop them from watering. And like I said, you're just going to repeat that same process. You're going to add the third lash here onto the lash line, and you're going to secure it with the tweezers. Now, I didn't like how those started to look, so I took them all off, as you can see, and I decided to start over and do the process again. So here you'll see me adding the lashes back to the eye, the same eye, because I didn't like how it looked at first. But you'll see in the end that it turned out great. Alright, if you have a fan, you're going to want to head and fan your eyes. Me, I don't. I'm just going to use the tray for the lashes and go ahead and use it as a fan to fan my eyelashes. Alright, and here I am just adding the last lash to, I think that's my right eye. Yeah, I'm adding the last lash there, and then I'm going to secure it with the tweezers, as you can see. And here is the final look for my right eye. I am going to continue to secure it, make sure that the lashes are in place, but that's it. Literally 4 pieces onto your eye and you're done. And it's going to give you that natural lash look that I like. I'm kind of over the dramatic lashes. It's just, I guess, a phase that I'm going through. All right, a little quick commercial break while my baby nags me for my iPad. You see me pointing to it. So. Alright, and we're just going to jump right into the left eye. We're going to get started on that eye now. And it's literally the same process. So complete the same process, cut the lashes into 4. Then you're going to, I don't know why I started at the front first, but yeah, that's just what happened. And then you're going to complete that process and get the same look as the right eye. So I won't talk your ear off while you watch that. And of course, we're going to secure that with the tweezers, and just look. That looks great to me. It looks natural. It doesn't give the false lash look. It just gives like I grew these out my eye. And then as you can see now, I'm going in and just brushing the lashes just to make sure that everything is in place, make sure that I'm liking how it looks. And yeah, I actually love it. So it was a 10 out of 10 for me. Let me know if you think the same. And then this is just a personal for me. I'm going to go in my bottom lashes with a little bit of mascara, and this is the final look. I know it's going to give hair tutorial because I am messing with this hair because it's just giving me life, but we are here for the lashes. So yeah, if you made it this far and you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. We're on the road to 400 subscribers. Join the gang. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Look at those lashes. Bomb. Quick and easy. Bye.